So once again, I showed up the camp kind of late. I'm gonna need some light to do some things and prepare some food. But luckily, I brought my Tuff Stuff camping light with me. We're gonna put it together and brighten this place up a little bit. Packs up into this nice little box here. Real easy to set up. So let's get to it. But this light is super easy to put together. This light comes with a solar panel on top, and then on the business end, it comes with 3 detachable pieces for light. You have your floodlight and your spotlights in the middle. Once again, these are 3 separate ones. One cool thing about these is that they have these little hooks built into them. You can hook them on whatever, and then they're also magnetic. And then you can link them together by taking out this piece here, putting it on this end, and link all 3 of them together if you need to. While they're on the stand, they are controlled by a single button right here. Just hold it to turn it off. Pretty simple. All right. You have your main stand here. You have your legs. Screw them in one at a time, hand tight. You also have adjustable legs. Have their amount of clamps. They come with stakes too, and also with a bag if you need to anchor it down. Up top here, just take the light, put it on the end, make sure that it's secured, and that's it. Super simple setup, packs up really nice. We're gonna go light up this campsite now. Low flood, medium flood, high flood, spot, low flood and spot, and back to flood. For this, I'm probably gonna leave it on medium flood and get everything set up. I was planning to do some really cool drone shots for this, but as you can tell by the RC there, I ended up crashing my drone again. I'm not safe with sports mode, so if someone can teach me how to fly a drone, that'd be even better. I believe that this will be the 3rd drone that I will have to return to DJI Speaking of DJI, their customer service and warranty systems is really nice. They really help you out, and they ship you out another drone super fast. So I'll be filing another claim with them. Tonight's dinner is going to be everyone's favorite steak, onions, maybe some broccoli. Gonna be super simple. I went and bought 2 steaks. Maybe a steak for breakfast. You know, that man steak. I also brought some shrimp, but I'm gonna save that shrimp for something. Of course, adult beverages. Always gotta have a good adult beverage. Having greens, always gotta have some good greens. Some broccoli or something like that. Then you got some breakfast stuff up in here. Got your butter. Always got a cooked steak with a nice butter. A little quarter stick there. So for me, I keep all my cooking gear in this Front Runner Pro box. It's the version 2 of the Front Runner box. Now that dinner's over, we're gonna get some late night bow action and check out how well the light does lighting up the target. Let's get it. We're about 20 meters away from the crossbow target. This is your light on low beam, low flood, medium flood, high flood, and spot. Going down on the ground, if you can see a little bit more. That's your spot target. This is everything. So to me, it looks like spot will be the best course of action for this. So let's get into some night shooting.